Anxiety attack po yan. Ang panic attack po ay nagpapanik po siya at parang wala sa sarili. Natatakot. Ang anxiety po ay nakatulala at naninigas. Okay. Hi, Jadski. Thank you so much for bringing this one up. So, uh, and we'll just have to clarify things, no? So, when we do say it's a panic attack, no, it's usually a short onset, so parang like 30 minutes to an hour. And yung anxiety attack naman, it could last for hours, days, or even weeks. Now, since we don't have the exact details po for Sir Gabin, we are still, or my personal point of view, we're still trying to make use of the panic attack term kasi nga we don't have the exact details. But just to also clarify things, under the DSM-5 for our diagnostics, the panic attack is recognized as a medical diagnosis under DSM-5. Meanwhile, yung anxiety attack po is it's not yet a diagnosis, but it's mainly a core feature of a specific mental disorder. And currently, it's still it's still early, or wala tayong details, or wala tayong any other information if or conclusion from a psychiatrist if there is an existing mental disorder or if it is a repeated issue for this case. So that is the reason why we are still making use of the term panic attack. So thank you so much for clarifying things out. Ingats.